tutorial, and this video I would like to show to you how to remote your computer, okay, from on your LAN. So say nóในក្នុងវីដេអូដែរខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការបង្ហាញជូនអ្នកនរគ្នាទាក់ទងពីរបៀបក្នុងការ remote នៅ desktop របស់អ្នកនៅតាមរយៈ LAN, okay. So that before you should to check your network, okay, for like that, okay. Okay, make sure your network, yes, and also you check about your computer has been already enabled remote desktop already or not. អញ្ចឹងយើងឆែកតំណងសំខាន់បំផុតហ្នឹងគឺកន្លែង remote desktop ហ្នឹងគឺយើងត្រូវតែបើកវាណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងគ្រប់នៅ PC របស់យើងដូចគ្នាទាំងពីរហ្នឹងដូចគ្នាហ្នឹងយើងមាន PC ទី1និង PC ទី2 so that you have another PC so to enable the PC remote all, okay. So that after I not so to know about the computer name or and then I know about the account name and password, username and password. Okay, so that it means say like that. It means that we should to have the password protection, yeah, to be secure. Yes. Okay, so I need to reset the computer. Yes, I reset the computer. Yeah. Now I already reset the computer. Yes, click like reset. So and then you type the password. Okay. From another PC, yeah, for one PC or two PC it's like the same. អញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវតែដាក់នៅ password ទៅលើ computer របស់យើងនីមួយៗហ្នឹងមកដើម្បីឲ្យវាមានសុវត្ថិភាពនៅពេលដែលវាធ្វើការ remote វាទាមទារនៅ password, okay. អញ្ចឹងវាតម្រូវឲ្យដែរបើសិនជាយើងអត់បានដាក់ទេគឺវានឹងចេញលើ alert message មកបែបហ្នឹងណា Okay, so that you should to have the password. Okay, now I already reset password, so I try to type the username and password again. Okay, the username and password. Okay, click yes. Okay, if you want to do it later, you can click on it, so it will be remember on your remote desktop. Okay, this is another PC that I remote from this computer. Yes, this is the PC ENG PC 13. Yes, 13. Yes. Okay, that's all. My video has been to the end. Thank you very much for your taking time with me for today. Okay, please give me subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.